Hello and welcome to Bibliotech Klub. This is IO presenting today on trends in educational technology. When we think about technology in the classrooms, we want to make sure that all technology students, for the most part, the technology that is integrated into the curriculum is available, inclusive, and students can use these tools in an effective way for their learning environment. When I thought about creating this blog, I thought about many of the applications I've used in the past, like Microsoft's Journal. They have a very nice platform where you can search within the journal that can also be used as note taking, has many nice features, highlighting, creating real time, peer to peer, effective environment. But the con is students with devices that are Apple or other brands may not be able to download Microsoft Journal. So this brought me back again to the point where, okay, I want to teach about a tool that the students can use. They can open in their phones, they can access in their portable devices or in their PCs. And this brought me to Google. Google is the the tool of all tools. Let's just say it does not have everything on one go, but we can work with it. We can teach our students to use tools effectively that they can also bring to their future roles. So let's start with Google Docs. Google Docs, students may be able to use for the personal, or they may share a link in case they are working with other teams. They can present using a call, share their screens. They can add comments and see all their comments. In addition, they can use extensions. Extensions gives students and also teams a way that they can personalize a document and add the tools they need for their learning environment. So let's look at a few extensions and see how students can use these extensions and tools for their learning environment. Let's start with images. So here I have added a text about the Eiffel Tower. If I were in a team and I'd like to create an intro page, or maybe even demonstrate to other students what the Eiffel Tower is, I can use this extension and see various pictures of the Eiffel Tower. Another nice tool is I can, let's say, go to Chat GPT. In this case, is GPT Workspace. And if I were to want to summarize a document for other students or teammates logging in and they want to catch up, I can summarize a document and let them know of the topic at hand. It's a great way to use AI and integrate it into the technology. In addition, I can keep track of time management through apps like Time Navi. Now, like I said, some of these apps may have a cost, so it is nice to go to extensions and choose an app that best works for you. So in this case, I can create a goal. I can say sometimes many students are working and they may only be able to meet for 1 hour. So I can save a goal and say, let's meet at the very least for an hour. Um, and it will keep track of your time. When it comes to teams and when it comes to strategizing and organizing, timekeeping is very important. In addition, I can go to a calendar and we can set up meetings and see our how our schedule is and if we are able to meet. Now, I can also go to maps and I can search for addresses and places to meet. There are many other ways and other things that you can use through Google Docs that can help students apply these tools without having to pay or depend on certain apps. Because with technology, sometimes students may get very comfortable with the tools and may not know what other types of tools are available on the web. So Google Docs helps with discovery, helps with creating a learning and personalizing an environment that an effective environment they can thrive and learn. So I can see many types of bibliographic apps. So not only is Google's an effective tool, it also does not make us depend on certain apps for all needs because we know that every project is unique. So thank you so much with learning with Bibliotech Klub about technology trends in education, and make sure that your students have the tools and are flexible with their learning. That's very important in technology these days because depending on one app can actually set back students in their future roles. Preparing them for their future roles and making them flexible to learn many other tools available is one thing that will set them apart from many other candidates. Thank you, and feel free to subscribe and to check back with Bibliotech Klub.